In this article, we explore thinking with things, 3 different ways of making ideas tangible. The first is topological and includes mental models created from elements of landscapes. Physical objects can be used as forms of knowledge with which to inquire about human life, bring about improved conditions, and imagine alternative realities. We are interested in the types of shared understanding that are possible when people express complex ideas using physical models. The second is connective, and these are models that emphasize linkages and connections. We are interested in the types of shared understanding that are possible when people express complex ideas using physical models. We are especially interested in what materials one might use to physicalize the qualitative data that is generated and enabled in any design or co-design process. How do materials matter? The type of knowledge generated through this kind of co-created shared encounter with ambiguous physical materials is discursive, contingent, and sometimes unanticipated. And finally, performative, models that use materials that are dynamic and transform over time. We explore forms of data physicalization that go beyond quantitative data expressed in physical form. As designers, what we mean by data is closer to what is generated in design practice, especially in generative co-design situations. It is also characterized by serendipitous discovery and an uncovering of unseen connections. These models open towards new shared realizations and deepened understanding. In these ways, thinking with things provides powerful tools not only for surfacing information, but also for generating new forms of knowledge.